Hi there, welcome back once again. In this tutorial we are going to unwarp this islet for detailed texturing. For that, select the islet object and isolate this plane and apply a unwarp UVW modifier on it. We need to cut the edges. Select the edge selection and select toward edge and loop it and to make selection as seams, and this edge also select one edge, loop and selection as seams, and here also select one edge, loop it, make selection as seams, selection as seams. Now select the polygon selection and select all the polygon and start pelt, commit, tools, relax and relax by face angles, start relaxing. Okay, our unwarping is almost ready. Scale it down, tools, render UV template, width of 1024 and the height as same, render UV template and save it, render UV as JPEG and save. Okay, now open the UV with Adobe Photoshop. Here we are using this texture for the island. Open with Adobe Photoshop. First we can arrange this texture in sides and copy it over here and transform it. Same way here, rotate, flip it vertical, same way here also. Hide the UV template and save as a PSD. Save. Okay, back to 3ds Max. Open up the material editor, choose one material and select V-Ray material. Okay, and in diffuse apply our texture as a bitmap, Iceland texture, open. Okay, and apply it. We want to little bit modification on the texture. You can see here some mismatching are appear. For that, back to the Photoshop and select this layer, scale it little bit up, just hide it and save. Just have a look. Back to Photoshop, back to Max and just have a look. And also we need to apply some grass texture of the plane area. First merge all these layers together and choose one grass texture. Here is the grass texture and open it with Photoshop and drag it over here. Scale down and start copying the texture. Just save it and take a look. Yeah, it's okay. And back to the Photoshop, combine these all layer together and select the side texture and apply a layer mask. Choose the brush, start painting over here. Just save it and back to the max. Take a look. Okay, exit from the isolated display. Now we need to place one texture on this background. For that, select the background plane and isolate the display. Apply and warp modifier on it. We need to divide this into two parts. For that, select the center edge and make it as seams and select the polygon selection. Belt, start belt and commit. Tools, relax by face angle, start relax. Okay, same way select one polygon here, expand and belt, start belt, commit. Tools, relax by face angle, start relax. Okay, and tools, render UV template, make size as 1k, render, save, background UV, JPEG format, save. Okay, and open the UV template through the Photoshop. Background UV. Now we need to open now we need to choose a texture for the background. For that, work file, images, we are using this texture for the scene. Crop it down like little bit. Okay, crop, select this and place it here. Just hide this and save the texture. Background texture, save, and come to the 3ds Max. Open the material editor, choose one material and choose a V-Ray material. Apply the texture as a bitmap. Here it is, background texture. Open. Okay, apply. Just isolate the display and just have a look. The background is too large, so we need to reduce its size. Do T transform. Apply layer mask, choose a brush and fade it a little bit like this. Merge these two layers together and copy it to, and also make a background white layer for here and copy it over here. Just save it and take a look on max. We need to remove the scribe from the background. For that, open up the Photoshop and choose this image and come to the channel. Take this blue channel and make one copy, and in the level adjustment, make the darker areas as dark and the lighter areas as more light. Press OK and select, back to the layers, back to RGB and delete from here also. Deselect, Ctrl S, just take a look. We nicely removed these guys. Now we need to make some maps for this Iceland and the background. the background needs an opacity mask, the background needs an opacity map, and the island need a bump map. For that, open up the Photoshop and come to here. Just make a snapshot of this texture and make it desaturated. Levels, make the darker area more dark and the lighter area as more lighter, like this. Now you can see it is okay. Press ok and save it as bump map. Save it. Okay, and here we need to make an opacity mask. For that, merge these two layers together, fill a black layer and clip it to it and make a snapshot, invert it and just save it as background. Save it. Okay, now we need to import the palm trees. Import, merge, okay. Now we can apply the texture for this palm tree. For that, open up the material editor, open one material, here just connect these textures. This one AM85018 color, just connect it. Now we can apply the bark texture. Open up a new material and just pick this material. This is sub material. For that, just connect these textures. And come back and connect this one also. It is just have a look. And we need to apply some other maps to this palm tree leaf. This bump map and choose the bump map. Okay, and the same way here also we need a bump map here. This bark bump, and same way for this map. This one is that. Okay, just scale it little bit like this. Okay, we need to attach these all objects together for making Vera proxy. Select this one, attach, and okay, just have a look. We attached all together. Top angle view, just place it on this. We need to scale it little bit down. We need to make it as a V-Ray proxy. For that, right click and V-Ray mesh export 100, automatically create the proxies. Okay, now it come as a bounding box, because we choose here the bounding box. We can choose other preview from file and preview from file scenes and point, something like that. I am using this bounding box. Now we can just copy the bounding boxes. just have a look. We need one over here, shift drag here. Okay, and rotate it to something like this. And now we need two more palm trees towards the river. For that we are using another palm tree model. Just import that palm tree, import, merge this one, open, select all the objects. Okay, rotate it something like this. Now we need to texture this one. Same way, select the leaves, open up the material editor and choose one material and click it. Just connect the textures. Okay, then choose this object and pick the map, just connect it. Okay, then come to the bark, select one material and pick this one and choose the okay. Now we need to apply some bumpiness on this. Come to the maps, here it is, apply the bump map. Okay, same way here the bark. Okay, and same way this one. Okay, same way we can attach this all together. Select the bark and attach. Okay, this one also. Okay, 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 okay. Now we can move it to here, rotate it like this towards the lake. Need to reduce its height. For that, just reduce it like this and rotate it to like this. Okay, just have a look. And same way one over here. Now we can add our houseboat here. For that, just import, merge, okay, we almost finished this scene creation. In the next tutorial I will describe you about the camera settings and the video settings for this particular scene render, and how to create these backwater scenes and putting up the lights. So I am wind upping this part here. For more updates, follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Google Plus, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.